Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got another viewer box and I'm going to be able to give her a shout out for her eBay stores, and she's also a YouTuber just like me. So this is from Vintage Vagabond. You've seen her on some of my live streams chatting and making comments, which is awesome, but she is a reseller as well and has an eBay store called, let me make sure I say it right, Wear It's Hat, WEARITS hat.com. So that is the name of her eBay store. I'll put the links of both of her YouTube channel and eBay store down in the description, but I want to see the amazing clothing that she sent me. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so this is from Vintage Vagabond. She sent me some clothing. Now, this is not normally what she sells. She sells, I looked at her store. It looks amazing. It's a lot of small items, really unique things. So I would definitely recommend going to her eBay store. But she thought, you know what? Heather sells these kinds of things all the time. So I'm going to send this box to Heather, see if she can't go ahead and sell these things because it's a lot of similarities to what I sell. So it says, I've been watching your videos for years and have learned so much. I've been reselling online for 20 years, mainly vintage toys and unique items. I decided to try out clothing, found I have no interest in photography, photographing clothing. So thank you for taking these off my hands. Thank you both, and the kids too, for all that you do and you have shared with your viewers. So this is Vintage Vagabond. Her name is actually Susan, but we're going to call her Vintage Vagabond so that we kind of give her a shout out for her YouTube channel. So I love her store though. I definitely love her store. So let's see what she sent us. So we've got a Karen Scott blue sweater. We may move some of these things on the fire sale. So original retail price is $46. This is an extra large. We'll go ahead and price this off camera, but I just kind of want to show you what she sent me. All of her stuff on her store definitely looks like it's in fantastic condition, like the stuff she's giving me here.
She's got clothing on there too.
She does have clothing on there. She's got some really unique, cool clothing. She got 2 pages worth of clothing on her eBay store. This is a Charter Club extra large. I love this top. Isn't it cute? If it was my size, I'd keep it. I might have to just keep it anyway. Don't wear it too big. All right. Then we have this nice sweater. Perfect time of the year to be selling this kind of stuff. This is a gorgeous sweater. This is a extra large Charter Club. The original retail price on this is $69.50. Look at that. I love that sweater.
It's a long sweater too.
Yeah. Yeah. Then it is, this is a Karen Scott extra large blue top. Kind of a blue speckled, dark blue speckled. You get those speckles in there?
Got the speckles.
Nice. Speckly, speckly. I love the sizes. Oh my goodness. Oh, perfect time of the year to be selling this. I'm putting this in my next fire sale, like this Friday. So you'll probably see this after the fact, because I think this is going to go after this Friday's fire sale. But I think this should go in the fire sale, don't you think?
That's cool.
All right, so it's a black top, $36.50. Alexa, stop. It's going to yell a reminder at me. We have a friend, actually, who's going to do his own fire sale for his business.
Yeah.
So
looking forward to it.
Yeah, it's Wix Aircraft. They sell aircraft parts and organ stuff, I think.
Yeah.
They started with organs, but they mostly do aircraft.
Yeah.
And so check out Wix Aircraft Supply. It's going to be on his Facebook page. You'll probably see it after the fact. But I definitely want to sell that.
He's got cool stuff.
He does have some cool stuff. So I'm actually going to look and see if I'm going to buy some stuff today. So look at this cardigan. Nice, big, fluffy gray cardigan. Kind of smock style with the extra pockets. This one is original retail of $69.50, and it's an extra large. Boy, that looks like a big, comfy one. I might have to steal this one.
You can steal anything you want to.
What do you think? It looks kind of big on me, though. Ooh, I don't know. It's pretty comfy.
Oh, it's a cardigan, right?
Yeah,
cardigans are supposed to be bigger.
Oh, I love it. I think I might take this one.
It's okay.
I might have to keep this one.
I'll allow it.
Thanks, Vintage Vagabond, for the new clothes.
You can have it all, Heather.
All right.
Heather doesn't have to go clothes shopping.
I never go clothes shopping.
She just buys pallets of it.
Ooh, look at this one. This is a nice JM collection.
Look at the bottom. It's fur.
And if that's not enough for you,
it's fuzzy.
Come up here to the button.
Oh
bling,
my.
bling.
Boom.
Kablamo.
That is a unique piece.
Yes, it is. There's a lady that I think of that when we were at Yarmouth.
I know.
This would look perfect on her. Her name is Joanne.
Joanne would have pulled that off, no problem.
Could pull off stuff that no one else could pull off.
Absolutely.
She used to wear the bedazzled hats and everything.
It looked perfect.
Yeah, she'd be out mowing the lawns. She's probably, 70 years old, mowing lawns in her bedazzled hat. She was amazing. I miss her. I miss her a bunch. All right, then we have this is a green jacket.
A windbreaker.
Extra large. Is this a men's, would you say?
Kind of. I was thinking that when I saw it.
Wind and water resistance microfiber green jacket. I think this is a men's.
If I was a skinnier dude, I'd take that.
Then we have another Karen Scott extra large. Nice sweater. Look at that.
So like the blue one.
Yeah, it's gotten different stitching here and then different stitching there, but it's really nice. $46.50 is the original retail price on that. So remember, this is from Vintage Vagabond, and her eBay store is where it's hat, not where it's that, or where it's at. It's where it's hat.
Where it's hat.
Yeah. So I think she was doing a fun play on words. Look at this. This is cool. It zips all the way up. You gotta be careful with that. You have a wardrobe malfunction there. You could probably wear a tank top with it or whatever and wear it almost like with
wardrobe malfunction. What was that? Was Super Bowl, wasn't it? Then they have Janet Jackson Super Bowl.
Oh yeah, wardrobe malfunction. That's where that became popular.
That was me at church with the entire youth group, and boom.
Woo!
Yep.
That's why there's a 5-second delay on all live streams on TV now.
Now there is.
Style & Company 3X thermal top. Nice purple. Nice violet purple. Pretty top. Everything is fantastic. Thank you, Vintage Vagabond. Style & Company extra large. Another purple top. Ooh, that has kind of a fun hem on the bottom, so it's shorter in the front than it is in the back. Extra large is the size on that one. Oh my God, I'm barely halfway through this box. This is an awesome box.
That looks nice.
Ooh, this is a cowl neck.
I'm digging the red.
I love this one. Oh, this one might have to go in my closet. Cowl neck, super, super soft. I have it backwards. I do love this one.
Even better now.
It's even better. It doesn't look any different. The front and the back are the same. 1X, original retail price is $69. All right, that one might go in my closet. All right, Karen Scott's kind of a polo long sleeve top. Ooh, but it's got some fun details on it. This is an OX.
It's got pockets.
Yeah, I like that.
I wonder if you could do OX because it's right in between that size. I wonder how that would look on you. I probably could wear
that, yeah.
I think that would look sharp on you. It might be a little big for you, though.
Ooh, look at the shoulders on this one. There's zippers on it. Karen Scott.
Good old zippers.
She got some cool, kind of funky pieces. Yeah. I like them.
It's almost like they're vintagey.
They're almost vintagey. 2X on that one. Burgundy top. And we got a red and black Karen Scott 2X long sleeve, more like a shirt than a sweater. This one's more like a shirt. It's a little thinner, so this would be a nice kind of lightweight shirt, but it looks really dressy. 2X is that size. And we have, what's this? Well, that's cool. It's totally sheer, so I can see you through it. But it's kind of got
It's got like an Arizona,
yeah, that's what I think.
That's a certain style. I just can't remember what the style is called.
Yeah, tell us what the style is, because we never remember what it's called.
Western, maybe?
Maybe. I don't remember.
Because, yeah, I think Arizona, but
this is a 3X. Looks like it has short sleeves on it. That'd be perfect. You throw a navy blue tank top underneath it, and that'd be nice. Okay, here is another one. This is an Alfani 1X. Nice top. Look at that blue. Those are some... I think I'm going shopping after this box. Definitely going to try on about half of these clothes because I like them a lot.
It's okay.
Yeah. Ooh, another top just like it. This is another 1X. Exact same shirt. Ooh, and another one. What size is this one, though? This one is a OX.
What do you have? 2X, OX, and
1X, and OX.
Okay.
Yep, of this one. So tell me if you want one of these. Just shoot me an email, then do a screenshot and say, hey, I want that one from the Vintage Vagabond box. Okay, this is kind of a supposed to look distressed. ATM is the name of the brand. Original retail price, I don't see. Okay, wait. $175. But
wow.
This is the softest fabric I've ever felt.
Is it soft?
Yeah, you should feel it. It's
okay, everybody feel the fabric.
Feel it? It's super lightweight and soft. So this, to me, is this a men's?
Kind of looks like
extra large. It looks like a men's to me. I don't know. I'd wear it if it's my size. Here's another one. Styling Company 1X floral top. That's a nice one.
Very good.
Then we have a black International Concepts. Ooh, look at the sleeves on this. They're kind of funky. Petite extra large. So these sleeves are kind of fun.
I wonder if you could do a petite extra large.
I don't know. 2X International Concepts blue top. Oh, look at this cool cinching right there. That's fun. It's kind of a blue charcoal kind of. Then we've got a green hoodie. Extra large. Oh, I'm totally keeping this. I'm totally keeping this.
Yeah.
Does this look like my style?
It's like you're back in your army days.
It's army green. I don't know, maybe I'll sell it. I'll think. I'm a reseller, so I always have that in the back of my mind. Ooh, pants. Okay, so we've got some pull-on skinny jeans. And these are size 16. Black pants. That's a great size. And the waist, this is what I like about the waist. You're not going to have that big gap in the back.
Got some
stretch to it. Ooh, these look cute with little grommets on the side seams. Pair of pants here. These are a Jam Collection extra large, nice pair of dress pants.
Grommets.
We have an XXL pair of leggings, extra large. They are a gray, actually.
It's got buttons.
Yes. Do they have buttons in the bottom? Ooh, those are cute. Nice wide waist, extra large. Styling Company original retail price is $49.50. What will we price these for the fire sale? All right, then we have
millions of dollars.
No, not on the fire sale. You're gonna get a good deal.
That's true.
Karen Scott comfort waist size. Petite extra large.
Got some fuzzy on it.
Yeah, they're corduroy, and they do have a couple of fuzzes. There we go. Got rid of those. So these are petite extra large. I think we just have one more thing
Great
in the box.
sizes.
Oh, no, two more things in a box. This is, I know, I love this box. Absolutely love it. This is a nice, cute pencil skirt. Calvin Klein original retail price is $89. It's size 12. Nice kind of textured look on that. Cream colored. Last thing in the box is a 16 petite ultra skinny leg green in color. Those are nice. Original retail price on that is $49.50. So check out her store. She has got some really cool things in her eBay store. She sent me this awesome box so that I would move the clothing because she doesn't like to take pictures, which I'm okay with because we will definitely move it. Her name is Vintage Vagabond. Her YouTube channel link is down in the description. It'll be right at the top. And her eBay store is Wear It's Hat. So WearItsHat. So I will link that down in the description. Her name is actually Susan. And so I don't know what it is about Susan and viewer boxes, but I guess Susan's like to send me viewer boxes. But again, check out her YouTube channel, Vintage Vagabond. And so hopefully you guys have tons of fun checking out her eBay store and all the fun things that she has. And then you may be seeing some of these things on the fire sale. And so hopefully it's been fun to watch this viewer unbox. If you are a viewer and you want me to give you a shout out on your info, whether you have an eBay store, Poshmark store, Mercari store, or you're a YouTuber like me, go ahead and send me a viewer box. I would love to be able to do it because I love to see what other kind of stuff that people buy. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? how to sell my items. And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Hey guys, thank you so much. Make sure you check out my store, hookedonpickin.com, for all the things that I have for sale. And of course, don't forget to come to our fire sales Friday at 6 p.m. right here on the YouTube channel. And then if you need any reseller helps, I have a whole reseller help selection, and I do consultation phone calls. So if you'd like to do this as a job yourself, I'd love to fast track you, getting to chat with you, and we have various different times, 30, 60, and 90 minutes. Check those out, and I'd love to be able to help you out.